So this is how we clean our groceries, hot water right from the washing machine. We do the checklist thing at Kroger after we wash them off with hot water. We put them here. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off the hot water in the video, but even the ice cream. All the plastic paper bags go in the trash. Anywhere that the people touched on the truck gets washed. Anything that may need clean inside, we take out of the packaging. Sometimes the stuff like this, we'll take that out, wash them individually. And some of the stuff, you know, a bag of sugar, you gotta do it different. You go figure, however you want to do that. But usually we'll take the sugar out, pour it into a sugar container or something like that, throw the packaging away. But this is how we do it with the coronavirus hanging out. Maybe that helps somebody. It's a good idea using the hot water from the washing machine at our place, because that's the only place we can get hot water in a hose. Most households here. So if you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for any new videos coming out. And as always, comment. We want to hear what you're thinking. If you like it or if you don't.